In a small village, there were two young dogs, Bolt and Shadow. Both were passionate about running. Since they were pups, they would race through the fields, chasing butterflies and the wind. Bolt was always faster. His legs seemed to fly over the ground, winning almost every race. Shadow tried his best, but could never beat Bolt. One day, after yet another loss, Shadow trotted home with his ears drooping. His wise old father noticed and asked, "What's wrong, son?" Shadow sighed. "No matter how hard I try, Bolt always wins. It feels like I'll never be as good as him." His father smiled and asked, "Tell me, do you feel happy when Bolt wins, or does it make you upset?" Shadow hesitated. "I want to be happy for him, but I just can't. It bothers me that I'm always behind." His father nodded. "That's natural. But let me ask you, have you ever watched Bolt closely? Instead of feeling frustrated, have you tried to learn from him?" Shadow frowned. "What do you mean?" His father continued. "Does he train differently? Does he follow a special routine? Does he have a different running technique?" Shadow had never thought about it that way. The next day at practice, instead of just focusing on himself, he observed Bolt. And then, Shadow noticed that Bolt ran in the rain. He ran even when his paws hurt. He ran even when no one was watching. Inspired, Shadow started following a disciplined training schedule. He worked on his technique, improved his endurance, and stayed consistent. Months later, at the village's big race, Shadow ran his best race ever and won. After the race, Bolt wagged his tail and barked with pride. "You earned this," Bolt said. Shadow realized that instead of competing with Bolt, he had started competing with himself, and that had made all the difference. Shadow realized it wasn't talent. It wasn't luck. It was discipline. True success doesn't come from talent alone or waiting for luck. It comes from discipline, the choice to show up, practice, and improve every single day, even when no one is watching. Discipline doesn't care if it's raining or if you're tired. It simply asks whether you will show up anyway. Excuses may make you comfortable, but discipline makes you unstoppable. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspirational stories.